Unfamiliar to most of the world, Meizu is prominent in its homeland of China, where local users have been welcoming the brand's MX, Pro, and M series of handsets. While the former are meant to be the best smartphones Meizu is capable of building, the M series is where the company experiments with delivering the most value possible at a sub $199 price. The M series' third-generation flagship device, the M3 Note, goes all out, promising high-end smartphone features like a metal body, a big display, above-average performance, a competent camera, and superb battery life. Meizu's undertaking surely has us intrigued with its too-good-to-be-true character, and by the end of this review, we'll know exactly how much the M3 Note fulfills the brand's ambitions. Design: a clean-looking and sturdy metal phone with a bit more bulk than what you might expect. With a 6000 series aluminum back and a sleek glass-covered front, the Meizu M3 Note is sturdy and good-looking, but also slightly bulky. At 5.75 ounces, 163 grams, it carries a fair bit of heft, and with its 0.32 in, 8.2 millimeters, thickness, the handset looks unabashedly plump next to the skinny smartphones of today. Display: an adequate screen that has room for improvement. The Meizu M3 Note features a 5.5-inch, 1080p resolution IPS LCD display that's of decent quality, though the panel comes off as a tad on the dimmer side under bright sunlight, which is one of its main shortcomings. Gamma and color balance are close to where they need to be, but there's a bit of a purple tinge that can be a bit distracting.